So after a very successful teaser of O Romeo, we finally have its trailer. Let's not waste a single second and let's quickly move to the trailer.
मोहब्बत एक बद्दुआ है जो मुझे भी लगी है और आपको भी।
रंडीबाज से रोमियो।
अरे कौन है वहां?
हीरो उस तरह से पंगा नहीं लेने का। शरीर से आत्मा काट के ले जाता है। हम आपके हैं कौन?
माधुर्य, जब कहूंगा नाचना पड़ेगा।
रोमियो ने मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में
एक सुपारी का कितना लेते हैं आप?
क्या देगी?
जो चाहे।
सोएगी मेरे साथ?
किसी को मारना ना इतना आसान नहीं होता। क्या बड़े बड़े मुद्दे थे अपने बतूल में।
मैं बदलू नहीं पहनती।
हाय हाय डायलॉग।
नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर झूली का मकान, बच के आना मेरी जान, दादा दादा भैया।
एक बार वो लकीर पार हुई और अंदर हमेशा के लिए एक हैवान पैदा हो जाता है। कपड़े उतार।
आपको मेरा जिस्म नहीं, मेरी रूह चाहिए जो इस जन्म में तो आपको नहीं मिल सकती।
दो पसलियों में कैद था दिल, झूम के निकला।
भाग गई दिल लेके, इसलिए जुल्फे बढ़ा के मजनू बना बैठा है।
शोले की तरह निकला फलक, झूम के
वो लड़की बारूद का ढेर है, खुद तो फटेगी ही, साथ में तेरे चितड़े भी उड़वा देगी।
हमारी तो मोहब्बत भी महंगी है और तुमने रंजिश खरीद ली।
जलवा मेरे आशिक का बड़ी धूम से निकला, धूम से निकला, धूम 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 से निकला, आया धूम से निकला, अरे झूम 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 के निकला।
मैं तुझे अपनी हर सांस से नोच नोच के निकालूंगा ताकि मेरे अंदर तेरे लिए सिर्फ नफरत रह जाए।
रोमियो, ओ रोमियो, जान के लिए जान दीजिए रोमियो।
All right, now that's quite hell of a trailer. Okay, the first thing that I really liked is a very refreshing music. Vishal Bhardwaj se expected hai that he offers something that is not so regular or often that we hear. Sukhwinder Singh, hats off after a long time, I guess. And the other thing, जो एक कवाली जैसा play हो रहा था, that will also. So overall, I guess the OST will be up to the mark, and that will not disappoint anywhere. If I talk about the trailer and overall thing, it's definitely a mix of many things. We have seen often कि action gore अभी थोड़ा mainstream हो गया है. And considering Shahid Kapoor as someone who is taking gore at that scale, it is interesting to see because that will maybe not come across as too much or maybe overdone. So, yep, definitely looking forward. The star cast is hats off. देखने जैसी ही है. Obviously, trailer में we get to know that Vikrant Massey is having a special appearance. So, I don't know who is playing the Daud character as per the IMDb thing. I'm not sure. Even Vikrant nowhere looks close to playing Daud. So, he's playing somewhere a very different character which may have some good relevance. That is why he is having a special appearance. Apart from this, the trailer is absolutely the way Vishal Bhardwaj movies are expected to be. It gives you barely nothing what the story is about. It being portrayed as a love story, but definitely on the release we will find out कि exactly ये movie का core क्या है. It's definitely a revenge and love, but how the story pans out is really something जो trailer ने नहीं बताया है. And that's what I really like. And that's it, I guess. Shahid Kapoor is gonna kill it. Nana Patekar is one of the best that I like, and he's also there. So he is versus Shahid Kapoor. So crazy thing to watch on big screen. And if we talk about Tripti, so more or less she's being typecast. अगर इसमें भी आप एक तरीके से देखोगे that she has been uh, catered as a female lead, and जैसे ट्रीट उसको एनिमल मूवी में किया था, शी इज बीइंग ट्रीटेड द सेम ईयर ऑल्सो. तो देखते हैं हाउ थिंग्स आर डिफरेंटली टेकन फ्रॉम अ फीमेल लीड POV. तो that I trust on Vishal Bhardwaj for that. So I guess that's all for the trailer, and it's super awesome trailer to watch. It's refreshing, and the best thing that it's a Shahid Kapoor movie, so nothing else that qualifies to watch it. Shahid Kapoor hai to dekhna hi hai, because this person has that thing, has that range, has that capability, but again, box office numbers doesn't convert for him. Last was again Kabir Singh, and then the second movie was a semi-hit. Uh, Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya was a semi-hit, so it was not that blockbuster as Kabir Singh. So the last which I will consider is Kabir Singh. I hope कि ये movie translate करे numbers में, and wishing all the success for him. That's it. That's it. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. आपको कैसा लगा trailer? Do definitely comment in, and see you at the theaters. Thank you.